This is not fair!
Leo, please wait.
I don't want to wait anymore!
Leo, what happened?
Why is he so upset?
Leo wanted something very badly, but no one knew why he was so angry.
Today is my big day!
Good luck, Leo. We believe you can do your best.
I hope everything goes well today.
Just enjoy the challenge and have fun.
Okay, Dad, I will.
Racers, get ready! The race finally started. Leo drove fully and tried his best. Leo, come here.
Okay. Can I take it home now?
Not yet, Leo. You need to wait until tomorrow.
But why?
Leo did not understand. He thought everyone was stopping him.
Leo, what happened at the competition today?
I worked hard.
Maybe there is something you do not know yet.
Leo, the prize needs special care.
The coach is keeping it safe until the stopping the official award day. So they were not stopping me?
I was wrong to get angry.
The next morning, Leo returned to the racing academy.
Coach, I am sorry for my behavior.
It is okay, Leo. Everyone makes mistakes and learns from them.
Today I learned that patience is more important than any toy.
We are happy to see your smile, Leo.
We are proud of you.